So this is going to be a honest review of AI Bundle. I'm going to tell you guys if you can really make money by building all of these AI websites. Maybe if it is affiliate sales, product sales, ebook sales, and subscription. So if you want to know if all of this is true, stick around till the end of this video. I'm also going to be discussing the different OTOs and upgrades for this particular product. And also I'm going to be talking about the vendor who made this product, and I will be discussing the other products which he made in the past and its performance. So stick around till the end because this is going to be very informative, and this is like the only video you need if whether to buy this product or not. So first of all, I would like to mention is the sales page, and if you look at the sales page, it's actually really great. And if it were me, I would have actually gone ahead and bought this product because of how good the sales page looks like. So if you look at this demo video, you might think that this is one of the best way to make money online because this guy provides hosting services, and apparently you're going to be making money with affiliate marketing, product sales, and subscriptions. So the sales page, I have to give this guy because it looks really good, and if I didn't know about the vendor, I would have straight away go ahead and bought this particular software. So the problem is like when you come to the vendor, so his name is Glenn1305 in Warrior Plus. So I'm pretty sure you all know what Warrior Plus. So it's a network these guys host and selling you all of these products. So if you look at here, he's one of the top 10% vendor, and he's a superstar vendor, and also he has got almost 40 featured offers. So he has got quite the reputation in the Warrior Plus community. But the problem comes is when you look at his other products. So these are his past launches which he made, and these are the kind of reviews that he's getting. And the reviews he is getting is not that great. So if you combine all of his average reviews, it's almost 699 reviews, and the rating he's getting is only 3.3 star review. So trusting a vendor that has got such low star review is a big waste of time, I would say, because in Warrior Plus there are a lot of trash products, and a product, if you want to get to know if it is like a really good product or if it is from a really good vendor, he has to have at least 4-star review. So I'm going to be discussing about a vendor soon. So if you're wondering why he's getting a lot of sales, is because of how good the sales page is. I mean, even I would have bought if I looked at this particular sales page and the sales video and all of that, even I would have bought. But when you look at the vendor, you will realize that he's not that great, and his last launch has got 1-star review. And here there is a good star, 4.1. Here there is 5, there is 3.25, there is 3.5, 3-star, 4.5, then you have 2-star, then you have 3.3, you have 3.7, here is 3.4, 3.4. So you might think that this is actually great. In Warrior Plus, this is not great because anything below 4-star is not a great product. So only in rare situations he's getting like 4-star review. So over here, this is not 4-star, this is almost like 3.88, and all of this is under 4-star review. So trusting a vendor like this is not really recommended. And there is one more red flag I found is about the different OTOs and upgrade. So this is what you're going to be buying. So the front end is $17, and these are all the features that you're going to be getting. So the thing is, the products in Warrior Plus is almost like a sales funnel. So once you get into the front end, you might think that there isn't much features, and you will go ahead and upgrade to the OTO 1, which is $37. After you get the OTO 1, you will again think that there isn't much features, and then you will go to the OTO 2. So this is a sales funnel, and this is a way that the vendor makes more money. So OTO 2, 37, OTO 3 is 37, and OTO 4 is 97, and the OTO 5 is almost $127. So I like the fact that this particular vendor has only 5 OTOs, but if you look at other vendors, they might have like 8 or 10 OTOs. but limiting it at 5 OTO is something good, I would say. But again, guys, it's a sales funnel for them to make money. They are not building websites and creating ads and making money with affiliate marketing. What they're trying to do is sell all of these courses, these softwares, and make money out of it. So you can see 100, 250, 250,000, 500. So this guy is getting a lot of sales. So I would highly suggest you guys stay away from him. And also, if you're looking for an alternative, I would like to show you one of the better vendors out there. So his name is Kevin Fahey, and he's one of the top 5% vendors in Warrior Plus. And he has got almost 50,000 sales. And the good thing is that if you look at his average rating, it is almost 4.15 star review. So this is the kind of vendor you have to look for, and most of his products are getting like 4-star or 4.5 star review. So if you ask me a product that I would like to suggest, it's definitely going to be the Affiliate Takeover. So this is one of the better courses out there in Warrior Plus, and this has personally helped me to make money online. And if you look, see here, it's almost 1,000 sale. And if I click on it, this is the sales page that you're going to be getting, and I can assure you that this is like one of the better products out there, and it has personally helped me to make money online with a 4.67 star review. So that was it for this video of AI Bundle, and I highly suggest you guys to stay away from this particular software. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.